Gemini, this is your channel messages for the 5th of June. Gemini, your channel message is the Page of Swords, the World card, and MK Ultra. Okay, so I'm getting you watching somebody online, okay? No, the World card in this depiction, she naked. I don't know if you're watching somebody naked stuff. Are you subscribed to an OnlyFans model? If it's not OnlyFans, you may like the more real actors, which are Pornhub. So I'm not sure if it's subscribed to this girl. I'm getting you a watch her. Her titties are out. It could be me, but according to the YouTube technicians, my tits are under the guidelines of YouTube. So I'm getting you to watch this woman constantly, MK Ultra. You're getting someone as a distraction, or something is a big distraction for you. Now, the World card can also talk about completion. You completed something. I want to say that last year your cycle had a lot to do with nudity. Nudity, whether you were nude in person, nude online, or naked pictures or videos was leaked of you. I'm getting something about nudity that you're overcoming. You might even find out that the reason why you're having a hard time is because there was leaked nude pictures of you and you never know. And nothing. I sit tight, my breast them stiff, and I don't have a baby. So I rather mine than your mom's. Anyways, let's continue the reading. Or me getting something about you online, so somebody I try to find you online. They're saying, I know that you have another account. I know you're on this social media. Me getting somebody I look for you. I tell people all the time, I am not on OnlyFans. I am not on Pornhub. I only go there for the males. What else? I'm not on Snapchat. I don't believe in that sex app. I'm not on Tinder either. No, swipe no rascal. Right or left. What else? Instagram, no, I'm just locked down my face. They have Facebook to communicate, but I'm lock it down now. You can only catch me exclusively on YouTube. And of course, when I want to see what dangers are happening in the world, I go on X. First card out is a moon card. I'm getting something about your mother. Is your mother running an account in your name? Is your mother revenuing off of something you're doing online? Because I'm getting your mother have you in something that you are unaware of. We have the Four of Pentacles. So maybe your mother or your sister or your family have you online as this big personality with this big page full of following, and me getting them a revenue off it. So it's like somebody I see upon Instagram with 300,000 followers every single day, but somebody else have the account. Somebody else start the account, run the account. Now them see you in a person, and them is like, why are you Four of Pentacles? Don't you have a 300,000 followers page by Instagram? Me getting them, this person don't know what's happening behind them back. The Moon card and the Four of Pentacles. So somebody is making money off of you. We have the Five of Swords. Oh yes, spite. It's a mix with spite and envy, because somebody hates your fucking ass because you're beautiful, which is why they have to prey on you for content to make money. But at the same time, they might make money. So them hate you, but they're making money off you. We have the Page of Swords, sorry, Page of Wands. We also have the Eight of Pentacles, and we have the Four of Wands. Okay, I'm getting something about a man. A man is competing with you, something about this man. I don't know if this, okay, so this could be something about this younger adult watching you online. Or something about, it's like somebody said I'm saving up a lot of money for visit you and give you all of this money. I don't know who this young gentleman is. I'm getting him a try to spite somebody. I'm getting spite. I'm getting somebody have a secret savings account. They're not giving it to nobody, but I'm getting something like spite. Like this man. So I'm getting somebody want to visit you. Somebody want to come over your house. I feel like somebody just going to get a lot of money. Me getting somebody met you or they saw you online first. Maybe they meet you and see you in a person, but me getting you don't know is me getting somebody who you talk to or you seen or you talk to online. Me getting them see you in a person, and them never re-intro. Them never say, hey, you remember me from when I talked to you here? Them never did it. Maybe it's either they were waiting on you to acknowledge them. The Moon card, you probably never recognize them. Me getting something about dinner. Dinner. Was somebody supposed to take it to dinner? Something about dinner. Or me getting something about as somebody leave work, them coming over your house to visit you. Me getting somebody know you from online, them see you in a person. Me getting your friends with them, but you don't know you're friends with them online. The moon card is clarified by the page of swords again. Yeah, that was your message. Your message was the page of swords, MK Ultra. Yes, the page of swords here. Come back. Me getting somebody online. This is online. But if five of swords is here, so me getting some spiteful shit is happening with this man. Because the Four of Pentacles can talk about being needy, you need something, you need help. Maybe this man work for Google. Not me. Well, I don't know if YouTube technicians work for Google. But we'll call them Google. Somebody might work for Google. Because I'm getting them a post all of your me getting your secrets in real time is being updated online. Me getting somebody work for Google. Then me getting somebody I watch you. Them I watch your accounts. Them I watch your text messages. Them I watch everything. But then me getting something about this man. So maybe you're wondering why somebody won't ask for your number or them not text you. Me getting somebody know what happened and them know that if them text you or call your phone, it bugged. So me getting somebody want to do something or they have to do it in person. Them can't do it online. Cause me getting somebody who kept them listening to your calls or something like that. The moon card is clarified by the Fool card. Okay, so that's freedom. Are me getting something about you're leaving your family? More specifically, you're leaving your mother. Four of Pentacles is clarified by the 44. Protection, guidance and protection. What your mother did? Your mother did something. Somebody's mother did something to them. Come me getting you hear the secret and you just pack up and leave. Or your mother says something to you and you just pack up and leave. Maybe you had a whole friggin' inheritance and you never know and your mother spent off the whole of the money. Or me getting something about secrets. Me getting something about you hear something and you just pack up and leave. You never look back and never talk to her again. We have 44, so you're guided to do this. Page of Swords is clarified by the Empress. Yeah, me getting you guided to do something. Or me getting something about like this woman or your mother says something about kids. You have kids, you had kids, 2 kids. I'm getting somebody I watch you online. I don't know, I'm getting something tied in with you and your mother. But I'm getting 44, so you're not talk to nobody. No, the moon card can be your mother, motherhood. Maybe you're escaping that. You don't want to be a mother. I'm getting somebody it's like somebody go on your page every day to see if you're pregnant yet. I'm getting something about motherhood. This can literally be you're gonna escape motherhood, you're gonna escape it. As in, no, you're not gonna have kids, you're gonna escape that life sentence. The 5 of Swords clarified by the King of Pentacles. I'm getting that's what somebody wants. So I'm getting somebody don't want kids. This man, I don't know if somebody mother is saying if she don't want to have kids, don't be with her. Your son don't want kids either. I don't know if I'm tell you this. Because I'm getting somebody need to make sure so what them hearing about you is real and correct before they make a move. Now the Empress have kids in her lap here. Maybe somebody want you to work around kids. Working around kids is lovely, but they must suck your energy like old people. Old people will suck your youth. Kids suck your youth too. That's why y'all stress the fuck out at age 28 with 2 kids and you're wondering why you're considering me to look like a minor. Because the 2 kids them that farmed in your body for 9 months suck everything out of you. Old people will suck you, kids will suck you too. But me getting him no want kids. So him have you exactly where he want you. But me getting him not tell him mother that. Especially if you're a type of man who was raised by a single mother and she struggled with you. I know you're successful. She gonna want to see you have a kid because you're successful now. I know she can spend time with her grandchild while having what she never have growing up. Me getting you know interest. The struggle was so fucking real. It turned you from kids. The Page of Wands is clarified by the Hangman. The Eight of Pentacles is clarified by the Two of Wands. And the Four of Wands is clarified by the Eight of Cups. I'm also getting, if you're dating somebody younger than you, I'm getting 21, 22, 23, 24 and up. And a time for have kids. So I know the Pop the Balloon shows these men in their 30s are meeting women in their 30s and I ask them, do you want more kids? And the more kids is in them 5-year plan. Me getting if you date somebody younger than you, that is all the better. Because him young, what the fuck him I do with kids at 22, 23, 24? What the fuck him doing with kids at 25? Talking about hoes need to keep them legs shut. These bitches need to keep them legs shut. The fuck you have baby at 25? Are you a slut? That's what the fuck you are? You collected that sperm in your pussy so professionally. What the fuck? So if you're older and you don't want a young guy, great. You don't want kids and him don't want kids yet. You have at least 10 years to go. You have at least 10 years to see if this man is the man you want to spend your life with. Because while on a jump in a relationship, getting to know each other, getting to live together, you put kids on that. You never even know him for your time first. Then live with him for this time. Then have kids with finish your boring life with kids. I'm getting that's a perfect match. I'm also getting somebody want to come to your home. I'm getting somebody want to drink with you. They want to be intoxicated with you. I'm getting somebody want to have a heart-to-heart conversation with you. But I'm getting something going with their mother. Their moms. Their moms. It's moms. We have Scorpio. We have Capricorn. We have the number 2. We have political agenda. And we also have Jupiter. I'm going to leave it here. Gemini. Until next time. Bye.